Very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is when thoughts acquire ocean's depth. Ladies and gentlemen, nothing in existence is accidental. From the vast architecture of galaxies to the quiet rhythm of a human breath, everything arises from an interplay of energy, space, time, and an underlying cosmic intelligence. Earth, uniquely positioned within this grand design, hosts life that is not only biological but deeply conscious. Among all expressions of life, the human being stands apart, not by physical strength alone, but by the invisible realm of thought. Modern science confirms what ancient wisdom intuitively knew. Thoughts are not abstract notions, but measurable energy patterns, neural impulses, electromagnetic signals, and biochemical responses collectively shape perception and action. The human brain, one of the most complex structures known, does not merely react to the world. It interprets, filters, and assigns meaning. Yet, thought does not arise in isolation. Environment shapes experience, experience informs intent, intent crystallizes into thought, and thought flows into action. While environments and experiences carry immense influence, they remain only partially within human control. Daily interactions, uncertainties, and external energies often disturb even the most balanced mind. Intent, however, occupies a different domain, rooted in cognition and guided by values. Intent can be refined. Neuroscience shows that stable value frameworks strengthen prefrontal regulation, allowing higher reasoning to steady emotional turbulence. Ancient traditions describe this alignment as coherence with the greater order of creation, where clarity emerges not from resistance but from resonance. Still, even a well-anchored intent faces disruption. Circumstances fluctuate, energies collide, and thoughts may momentarily lose balance. It is here that anchoring becomes essential, not suppression but stabilization. The ocean offers a powerful analogy. On the surface, waves rise and fall, stirred by winds and storms. Yet in its depths the ocean remains calm, silent, and immensely powerful. Thoughts that remain at the surface are easily unsettled. Thoughts anchored in depth acquire stillness without losing strength. This depth is cultivated through communion, deep alignment of mind, heart, and awareness with the intelligence that sustains existence. In such resonance, guidance does not arrive as noise but as clarity. Science recognizes this state as neural coherence. Wisdom traditions describe it as inner alignment. Both agree. Depth stabilizes energy. When thoughts acquire oceanic depth, they no longer react impulsively. They respond with steadiness. Calm does not mean inactivity. It means controlled power. Stillness does not imply weakness. It reflects mastery. What's the way forward? Stability of thought is not achieved by controlling the world, but by deepening inner anchorage, strengthening values, cultivating awareness, and consciously aligning intent. Allow thoughts to move from surface agitation to depth-driven clarity. The deeper the anchor, the greater the resilience, regardless of circumstances. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, a mind anchored in depth remains untouched by surface chaos, yet capable of meaningful action. In this state, thought becomes both peaceful and powerful, shaping outcomes without disturbance. As expressed in the revered Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna reminds humanity, established in inner steadiness, perform action free from agitation and attachment. When thoughts acquire the depth of the ocean, life flows with balance, strength, and quiet wisdom, timeless, universal, and profoundly human. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.